Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Holbrook. I'm the Title I teacher at Memorial Park School, and you'll be seeing a lot of me while you're at home for your foundations lessons. So let's begin. We're going to start with our warm up, and we'll be doing our vowel sounds. Repeat after me at home. A apple A safe A acorn A wash A squash A Alaska Here we go. Let's do all the sounds we know for E. E ed e p e me I it's it I pine I high I animal I champion And remember, when Echo looks at you, that's your turn to echo it or say it back. It's a lot of vowel sounds, I know. O octopus O home O no You up you mule you rule you pupil and you flew And our Y that is sometimes a vowel. Y cry Y baby Nice job. I'm going to build a word, my friends. Take a look. Right, take a look at this word and read it to me. What is the word? That's right. If you need to tap it out, you can. P er ah. Prash. It's not a real word. This is a nonsense word. This word is prash. What kind of syllable is it? That's right, it's closed in. So remember, when we mark syllables, we scoop them. And since it's closed in by a consonant digraph, we'll put a C underneath. And that means that the vowel is short. So we put a brev. What else do you notice? That's right, there's a digraph. Let's mark the digraph. One line because it's two letters but one sound. That's right, we can also mark the consonant blend. PR, everybody says purr. Very nice. Help me spell it away. P, I want to hear you say it at home. R, A, S, H. Nice job. Okay, we have more nonsense words. They're nonsense, they don't make any sense, but we can still read them and mark them. So let's look at this first word here. Think. How would we mark this word? There's a bonus letter, so we put a star. Very good. Let's look at our next word. Oh, and don't forget, what kind of syllable is it? It's closed in. Good. Let's practice marking some more words. Everyone, what does this word say? Chai. Very good. What kind of syllable is this? It's considered an open syllable because sometimes Y is a vowel. That's right. So it is a long I. It sounds like the I, so we're going to make it look like that. Chai. Okay, here's our next word. What does this say, everyone? Stuffed. Let's mark the syllable type. What kind is it? It's a closed syllable. What else can we mark? We have some blends, the ST blend and a blend here. Well, that's right. We did forget to mark the digraph here. Very nice. Okay, let's try a few more words. What does this word say? Shing. Very good. Let's mark the syllable type. It is closed in. What else do you see? That's right. We do have a glued sound. Let's box in our glued sound and mark the digraph. Okay, I want all of you to write the next word down on your whiteboard at home. What does the word say? Grued. Very good. Okay, everyone, please mark the syllable type. Did you write vowel, consonant, E? Good. Cross off the E, and it's a long U. And mark the consonant blend. The GR says grr, grued. Okay, and let's do one more nonsense word practice. Write this on your whiteboard and tell me what it says. Shell. Okay. What kind of syllable type is it? It is closed. So that means the E says eh. Mark the bonus letter and mark the digraph. Nice job. And we're going to do a little dictation practice now. Everybody should have a whiteboard page like this that we are going to write on. I am going to say a sound, you'll repeat it, and write the sound on the lines. Okay, use all of them, all of the lines, do all of the sounds. Then I'm going to show you my answer sheet for you to check your work. We'll go on to words. Okay, repeat after me. I want you to see my mouth for these. Ong. Write the sound ong. Repeat after me. Eind. Write the sound eind. Repeat after me. Olt. Write the letters that say olt. Okay, repeat after me. E. Write all the ways you can do the sound E. There are 4. Don't forget, you'll need to pause sometimes my videos so that you can do the work and then listen to the next one. You'll get used to it. Repeat after me. Z. Write the 2 sounds that say Z. Okay. Are you ready? Time to check your work. Ong, eind, olt. The 4 ways to say E. Vowel consonant E, just a long E in an open syllable. Sometimes Y says E, like baby, and sometimes I says E. And then the last one was Z. Sometimes Z says it, and sometimes S. Okay, now let's get ready to do some words. Okay, here we go, my friends. And I also wanted to remind you that don't forget, you should have at home your student notebook. Some of you don't have them yet, they're still coming in, but if you do, that's where you can look to help you with the sounds that you're having trouble with. Okay, repeat after me, get ready. These are crazy nonsense words. Shibe. Let's tap it. Which way are my fingers going for you? Okay. Shibe. Shibe. Remember, when we're actually spelling it, we don't want to blend it back together. So, I, b. Write it one sound at a time. Okay, after you wrote shibe, I want you to mark it. Can you please mark the syllable type and the digraph? That's right. Okay. Check yours to mine. Cover up my answer here. How'd you do? Vowel, consonant E, long I, and underline the digraph. Okay, next one. Repeat after me. Pid. Tap it if you need to, and then write the sounds. Okay. Please mark the syllable type. Check it with mine. It's closed and put that brev over the I. It's short. Good for you. Okay, next word. Repeat after me. Blass. Tap it and write it. Please mark syllable type, bonus letter, and the consonant blend. Come on, make sure you're doing it at home. This is called having integrity. Pretend I'm there and I can see you. Do the right thing. All right, check yours to mine. It's a closed syllable. That means a short A with a brev, the star for the bonus letter, and the BL blend. Let's do one more. Quo. Right? Quo. I want you to mark the syllable type and circle the body letters. And check it to mine. It's open syllable. It's what makes the O say O. And QU are best friends, they're best buddies, so make sure you circle them. Great job. Check it out. Who remembers these things? That's right, syllable frames. Okay, I am going to put 2 syllable frames up here, which means I'm making a word that has how many syllables? 2. Here we go. Okay, what does the word say, everybody? Connect. Who can tell me what connect means? Can you do a whole sentence using the word connect so I know you understand it? Ah, you're going to connect some blocks together. Okay. You're going to connect with a friend after school today and meet up. Good. Oh, okay, cool. You said you're going to do a connect the dots, like one of those pictures. Very neat. All right, now let's take a look at some of these. Remember what these are, guys? They are suffix endings. We love them, right? They can kind of change the meaning of the word. So we know connect means join. Let's see what happens if we add some different suffix endings. What's the word now? Connects. She connects the dots very nicely. Which other ones will work? Not every suffix works for every base word. Our base word, our suffix. How about ed? What does it say now? Connected. Good. Ed is different sounds, and id is one of them. She's connected to the Google Classroom. Connected. Oh, does this one work? What is the word now? Connecting. We are connecting paper clips to our masks to help them stay on our faces. Connecting. So remember, we can always put a suffix at the end of a word to change the word. We can also put something at the beginning called a prefix. Pre means before. So it comes before the word. A prefix. Watch this. If I put dis in front of connect, what is the word now? Disconnect. What does disconnect mean? That's right. If you disconnect something, you separate it. So connect is join. Whenever we add dis to the beginning, it means the opposite of or not. So it's not connected. Disconnect. Like if you're on the phone with someone and you disconnect, you're no longer on the phone anymore. Think of another sentence and use the word disconnect. Echo wants to hear them. Go ahead. So remember, prefixes come at the beginning of the word. Let's look at some more prefixes. Can you read these out loud to me? Un, trans, non, miss, x, n, dis, pre. We'll be learning what all of these prefixes mean throughout the unit. Okay, I'm going to mix these up, and when I pick one out, I'm going to say it. I want you to repeat it and spell it out loud. I'm listening. Un. Say it. Spell it. UN. Good, let's do 2 more. Non. NON. Correct. Last one. N. EN. Very good. Hi, my friends. Let's read these 4 words that all start with the prefix dis, and then you need to choose 2 to write a sentence to show you understand the meaning. Disagree, disrespect, disappear, disorganize. Pick 2 and write 2 sentences, and that's all for today. See you tomorrow.